I'm Bella Papaduke, your neighborhood reporter in Waco. I'm at Baylor University, which confirms a quote, small number of its students had their immigration status revoked and terminated. I spoke with an immigration expert who tells me this will likely impact international students in our neighborhood and across the country.
Given the opportunity to become a resident and being the opportunity to become a United States citizen, I kind of fell in love with that system, that program.
Hector Quiroga was an international student in the U.S. when he decided to make the move, applying for citizenship after immigrating from Colombia more than 20 years ago.
If you don't have good grades, if you violate any of the terms of the university or immigration, the status could be revoked. And so you really kind of have to put your head down on the books and just kind of be very good studious.
It's something some Baylor students have had to experience with their visas having been revoked and terminated.
What was your reaction when you caught wind of the Department of Homeland Security actually revoking and terminating some international students' visas all across the country?
Well, that was kind of heart-wrenching just because I've been there, right? I understand as an international student, you kind of feel that this could happen at any moment.
Baylor sent 25 News a statement saying, in part, Baylor is aware of a small number of students who have had their student immigration status terminated in the government database known as SEVIS, an evolving situation that is affecting colleges and universities across the country and is deeply concerning to our campus community. While it's unclear how many students have been affected, Baylor reports terminations have been based on three primary reasons: protest and speech activity, prior arrests or convictions, and a quote, more general termination reason which states individuals identified in criminal record checks and or has had their visa revoked. The university also said it has no authority to reverse these terminations.
And it is difficult because the institutions don't really have much warning. They actually have to check the system and see whose visa has been updated or not.
Now an immigration attorney, Hector wants to put his education to help international students who may be facing some uncertainty about their status.
There's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fear. There's probably a lot of international students who are considering not applying to a U.S. university.
Baylor University's International Student and Scholar Services is advising international students to not travel outside the United States unless absolutely necessary because they may face difficulties or be rejected when re-entering the country. In Waco, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Bella Papaduke.